Make a great choice today with the 2016 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, leather upholstery, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.